That's...
There's the croc.
We're just reloading phone cases. I think I picked it back up and put it over it.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay.
Yeah, boy. Salt and fishing. So up in the Kimberleys, looks like a bloody cyclone's coming, blowing it all out, as it always does. Wherever we go. Oh, we're going anyway. Wish us luck. So yeah, we're in Croc Country, Mission Bay here, all this sort of stuff. Pretty remote. Just want to catch something. Got my trusty knife on board. Not because I think I'm some survival hero or blog. Not because I think it'll save anyone against the 4-meter croc. The real reason I wear this knife makes me feel like a big man. Anyway, hopefully this, well, rain's nice, but too much rain up here on the track, it limits where you can drive. So, yeah, hopefully it don't piss down too much. But a little bit of rain is nice. It's not 45 degrees today, which is a blessing. Anyway, just the nets in and have a flick for our barra. See how we go. Wish us luck. The whole point of this boat is to run it into shit. Yeah. Loves me a creek fish. That's nothing but the best shit. At least we're consistent. Well, yeah. Beacons. 25 knot winds. Woodsy, this is low on the balls. Yeah. Just you make it swell with the creek.
Oh, there's the croc.
What did you say? Yeah, we are not alone. Yeah, be careful. Dealing with a mud crab and a croc creeper. Fence up on.
They're terrifying. Oh,
We might get out of here because, yeah, let's just say, someone's having more fun than the other. Oh, it's cool. Sick. Sick. Oh, hey boy. Sick. Good feed.
That's huge.
That's a good brown. Big brown. Yeah. Beyond. Good work. This is crocodiles and big brown mud crabs. Good boys. You know what that means?
What?
Yeah. Here is some of this water. Bruh. bring the crocs in.
Storms are all picking up, babe.
You never want your crabs to be in too much water because they will drown. When they drown, they go flowering. That's with most crustaceans. Tastes like shit. Cheers. Yourself a croc. That's the thing. Good ground.
All rough out of them.
Got 2 nets left in, and right where the croc is. So I'll pull the net, but this one's pretty dry. We got a hell of a storm coming. This nuts. Real bad. Anyway, we've got to get out of here. Oh
my god.
no way! Ah, big green. Look. That crab movement. Alright, well that's the end of another one. We just got to get out of here. And it may not look like it, but as soon as we poke our nose outside this little creek, it's going to get cut off. She is orphan out there. So it's our first time up north in the tinny, and we did not do well with the wind again. Blowing every bloody day, especially today. Squalls and storms, and there was a cyclone forecast, but that's sort of subsided. Anyway, we've got our crabbies. One big green, decent brown. Look at the claws on the brown. Another little brown. So, one out of ice as well, so we don't leave that open too long. Anyway, got to feed. Thinking about making a new YouTube channel. Well, the missus is surviving Matt. It is blowing. We just had a croc appear at the back of the boat, pulling nets. Just all cool stuff, you know. Cool stuff that you can't do in the city. Wish us luck. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, please. And see you on the next one. Check in on the boys. This is gonna suck. Tinny goes good though. Load is good. Almost done. That was easy. I do tours. We guarantee if you don't get 30 knots of wind, you get your money back. Every time. We're in a creek and you could surf this shit.
That bigger. Sure.
Nice ass. Get it? Okay. I got it. Only funny on a Monday. But we left the bike. Yeah. In the old ages when we were here last. There's remnants of that. Anyway. Now we have beautiful fresh chicken that will go in to take its place. This is why I have abs. Delicious. Not crying. Never cry. That's right. Cried when my dog died. Died of cancer. 7. Very sad. Anyway. Right. Chicken in the bait cages. We got some fresh ones because mud crabs mangle the crap out of them. And yeah, freshy. Nose is running. And yeah, fresh chicken, and we're gonna get some mud crabs and then maybe try for a barra, try some bait out, stuff like that.
You've still got some on your shoe, that's why you keep trying to be sick.
Yeah, well, you got that, or you could dangle put over the side because there's crocodiles freaking everywhere here, literally. There was one on this bank the other day. When we were here last, and we should have taken the bait cages off, but we didn't.